Hello, everyone. This is Dan Gramza, and welcome to dangramza.com Market Studies for Thursday, February 19th. What we see here in the Russell, not what we saw in the other indices as we looked at in the advanced video, but what we do see is a market that rallied and cooled off. Not a strong, confident move from the buyers, but they are here. Look for an inside to higher movement in that market. Even though they sold the high, this structure overall still implies a potential for an inside type day. So if you're on the long side, be cautious with this current structure. Tomorrow's going to be important for that market. And tomorrow's going to be important for the Canadian dollar. You don't want to see a rally in this market. If sellers are here, we need to see them commit to another move to the downside. Let's move on though and see what's happening in the gold market. It firmed up a bit. How about that? But can we follow through? The difference between the buy and sell level is $2,100 a contract. So what we also want to look at is crude oil. The Middle East tensions have caused this market to move up. It's moving up on an anticipation move, not reality. There's plenty of crude oil out there globally. And when we look at soybeans, another market that's waiting for information. It's neutral in terms of its structure, and it implies that it's gotten high enough to find sellers. Be cautious if you're on the long side. Well, those are my thoughts for today. Thank you for joining me. Look forward to being with you again tomorrow. In the meantime, take care.